Two Friends English chocolate. Broken flake. Welcome back. We have a review for you today. It is Two Friends English chocolate. This is put out by the Cornell and Diehl factory. All the Two Friends line is put out by them. So this is a broken flake. Finest Virginias with just enough Latakia. Now, Latakia is a real light condiment in this. It's nothing. You can smell it along with the chocolate on the nose. Yeah, it's mostly, yeah. You smell the sweetness of the Virginia. You smell a little bit of the chocolate and a little bit of the Latakia in there. What's it taste like? Well, it's a subdued chocolate. It's nothing strong aromatic. It's not strong aromatic at all. You actually get the sweetness of the Virginia, you know, the grass, the hay. The Latakia, I think it's thrown in there and it's playing a role with the chocolate. It's giving some depth to the blend along with the chocolate. It's actually a nice combination because you know the Latakia is smoky and it's got that darkness to it to begin with. So with that little bit of chocolate mixed in with it, it has a unique taste to it. However, this is, you know, not my first bowl of this. I have noticed a lingering aftertaste floating around up to a half hour, even up to an hour after the bowl's done. And it's not chocolate. It comes off as some kind of vanilla. That's the best way I can describe it. Like a weird vanilla-ness aftertaste. It's a shame that that's there because it's a broken flake. It's a broken Virginia flake. It's going to age well. There's a little touch of Latakia in there and some chocolate topping on top of it. It's definitely a different type of blend, but I just don't know what that so-called aftertaste is. I don't know, and I only get it when I'm done the pipe. During the smoke, it's actually pretty decent. So let me smoke this down and we'll give you some more fresh thoughts mid-bowl. I'm about halfway through and it's very pleasant. It's not chocolate forward, it's more Virginia forward. The chocolate's kind of like floating around. I actually smell more aromatic, more chocolate and sweetness in the room note than actually as flavor. But it's really, it's a mild aromatic and it's a broken flake at that. So it's and you want to smoke it slow because it is young Virginia. Well, boy, this tin's actually from June of 22, so it's not my optimal aging process length for Cornell and Diehl, but it's an Arrow, so you know I figured I'd give it a try. Like I said, it's pleasant. I mean, the Latakia, don't expect to taste Latakia with this. That's there as a condiment. It's there to give it some depth and to play a role with the chocolate. I get it. I get why it's in there. It's actually a brilliant move. But I would actually want to age something like this you know, and see. I know it's going to tone down the chocolate even more, but I think the Virginias are really going to sing better with this being aged. And maybe it might tone down that aftertaste. I have no clue what that is. I've got it on every bowl. I don't know what that is because I smoke C&D arrows all the time. There's no chemicals. It's not a chemical aftertaste. You get no chemical taste. They're seeing these are more of an all natural company to begin with, so I'm not expecting chemical tastes coming from their product. So I just don't know what that is. It don't last long. Like I said, half hour, 45 minutes, and it's gone. I just don't know where that's coming from. If it's the topping, the chocolate topping, but it's not coming off as a chocolate. It kind of tastes like vanilla to me. I don't know what that is. I don't know. But everything up until that point's actually fairly good. So take it for what it is. But you got a broken flake, you got a touch broken Virginia flake, a touch of Latakia. I like how that plays a role with the aromatic. It's definitely unique. I would definitely recommend someone to try this if you're more of a Virginia smoker, but see how that aftertaste is. I mean, they only have the 2-ounce tins and they have the 8-ounce tins too. If you really like it, there's no bulk. So, all right, that's all I got. And we'll see you on the next one.